In this video, we are going to see how we can take the backup of Windows 11, Windows 10 or any Windows to an external hard drive. That's a very simple process. All we have to do is just go to the start menu and right here, control panel, open that up. And now we simply change the view by category to large icons so that we can see the individual icons on the screen. And we need to search for the backup. If it do not appear, you can try other categories, but here it is, backup and restore Windows. Click on that. And from here, we click on set up backup. Click on that and make sure you have the admin privileges to do that. If not, you need to sign in into Windows with admin privileges. And now we simply need to plug in the USB or an external drive. So we just plug it in, click on setup again, and now it will show up. Or you can even refresh this without even closing and it will show up here. From here, click next. I have inserted a USB, so that's why it's showing an error. But if you have an external drive attached, you will not see this. Click on next. And here we have two options, but we will choose let Windows choose. That is recommended because it will create the image file as well. That is very useful even if you lost all the data. But for the second one, if you know exactly which files or folders to backup, you will choose that. But we want the complete Windows backup, so we'll choose the first one. Click on next. And you can also see a schedule option that if you want to backup on the external drive every Sunday, let's say at 7 p.m. or you can change the schedule, you can do that as well. So it will keep you more secured because this will take the backup automatically. Let's say if something goes wrong, you can always restore that backup. But for that to work, just make sure that your computer is always turned on, and every time it tries to backup automatically, your external drive should also be connected. And we will not take any backup. So if you don't want to take the backup, you just click on that and uncheck this option, and we will click on save settings and run backup. So for the first time, it might run for a little bit of time depending on the system speed and depending on the data you have in your Windows. So just sit back and relax while it takes the backup. And after that, whenever you take the fresh backup, it will take a little time because it has already identified your files. And that's about it. That's how you can take the backup of Windows, any version, into an external hard drive. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.